Here we go, starting off CNC group break number 4225, the Monday or Sunday Night Monster number 1. So best of luck. For the Calgary Flames, Sven Baertschi Metal Universe, and for the Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Ultra. We've got a Flair Showcase for the Los Angeles Kings, Wayne Gretzky, and for the Boston Bruins, CloutsnChara Ultra. Flair Showcase for the New Jersey Devils, Marty Brodeur, and the Buffalo Sabres, Marcus Foligno Ultra. Nice. We've got for the New York Islanders, Ultra Autograph, John Tavares. Ultra Autograph for the New York Islanders, John Tavares. We've got for the Montreal Canadiens, Intimidation Nation, Patrick Waugh. Intimidation Nation. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Skybox Autographics of Ben Holmstrom. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, we have an Autographics of Victor Hedman. We've got a Golden Touch for the Carolina Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. Golden Touch of Jeff Skinner. We have an EX for the Boston Bruins of Bergeron and a San Jose Sharks, Arturs Urbe. And a Metal Universe for the Red Wings of Pavel Datsyuk, and for the Minnesota Wild, Zach Parise Ultra. We start with a Fire on Ice for the New Jersey Devils, Marty Brodeur. And for the LA Kings, we've got a Select Prism of Anze Kopitar. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, we've got a Rookie Auto Jersey, numbered to 199, Alex Killorn. Numbered to 199, Alex Killorn. We've got a Select Future for the Dallas Stars, Jack Campbell, and a Rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Drew LeBlanc. For the Winnipeg Jets, we've got a Blake Wheeler Prism Select. That's a nice one. For the Boston Bruins, we've got a Rookie Autograph number to 399, Dougie Hamilton. Number to 399, Dougie Hamilton. And we've got for the Calgary Flames, Carter Banks Rookie.